Hey there, it's Anna. In today's world, impressing or seducing a woman doesn't have to mean extravagant gifts or expensive dates. In fact, it's often the thoughtful, cost-free gestures that make the most significant impact. Ready to learn how to make a lasting impression without spending a fortune? Let's get started. Explore free local events. Imagine seducing someone without spending anything. It's all about creativity and the art of making memorable moments. A great way to do this is by exploring free local events. Your city is likely brimming with opportunities, from free concerts and art exhibitions to cultural festivals and outdoor movie nights. These events are not just about saving money, they are about sharing experiences and interests. Attending a free concert or an art exhibition can be a fantastic way to connect. It shows that you appreciate culture and enjoy trying new things. These settings provide a relaxed environment to engage in conversations, share thoughts, and laugh together. When planning for such an outing, do a bit of research. Find events that might interest both of you. It's not just about the event itself, but also about the shared experience and the stories you will create together. And remember, the key here is to focus on the quality of time spent together, not the amount of money spent. These experiences can lead to deeper connections as they show thoughtfulness and effort. So, next time you are planning a date, consider a free local event. It could turn into an unforgettable experience that enriches your connection without emptying your wallet. Showcasing your talents. Another effective way to seduce without spending is by showcasing your personal talents and skills. We all have unique abilities, whether it's playing an instrument, cooking, painting, storytelling, or even being great at certain sports or games. These talents can be incredibly attractive and are a powerful way to impress. So, using your talents is about sharing a piece of yourself, revealing your passions and interests. For instance, if you play guitar, consider playing a song for her. If you are skilled in the kitchen, cooking a meal together can be a charming and intimate experience. These activities aren't just about showing off, they are about creating a personal and memorable connection. Engaging her in your talents can also be a way to spend quality time together. It allows for meaningful interactions and provides insight into who you are and what you love. Plus, it demonstrates confidence and the willingness to be vulnerable, which are attractive qualities. Remember, the focus is on the experience and the joy of sharing, not on trying too hard to impress. Authenticity is key. When you showcase your talents in a genuine and unassuming way, it can create a natural and deep attraction. So think about what you love doing and how you can share that with her. Your talents are unique gifts that, when shared, can create beautiful moments and deepen the connection. Sharing experiences and stories. An often underestimated yet powerful way to seduce without spending is through the art of storytelling. Sharing your personal experiences and interesting stories can create an emotional connection that goes beyond superficial interactions. It's about letting someone into your world through the tales that you tell. So think about the experiences that have shaped you, the adventures you've had, or even the funny, quirky moments in your life. Now, these stories don't have to be about grand achievements or exotic travels. Even simple anecdotes about your childhood, your passions, or lessons that you've learned can be captivating if shared with sincerity and enthusiasm. When you share your stories, you open a window into your life, inviting her to know you better. It's a way of showing vulnerability and authenticity, which can be incredibly attractive. It's important, however, to be a good listener as well. So engage with her stories, show interest, and create a two-way exchange where both of you feel heard and valued. The beauty of sharing stories is that it doesn't cost a thing, yet it can enrich your interaction immeasurably. Now, it turns an ordinary conversation into an intriguing journey of discovery. So next time you are with someone special, remember that your stories are your treasure, share them and watch the connection deepen. Volunteering together. A meaningful and often overlooked way to build a connection is by volunteering together. Suggesting to volunteer for a cause or a community project can be a unique and profound way to show your altruistic side. It's not just about spending time together, it's about sharing values and making a positive impact. When you volunteer together, you are demonstrating qualities like empathy, compassion, and a sense of responsibility towards others. These are attractive traits that speak volumes about your character. It provides an opportunity to work side by side on something meaningful, creating a bond that goes beyond typical social interactions. Choosing a cause that you are both passionate about can make the experience even more rewarding, whether it's helping at a local shelter, participating in a community cleanup, or assisting in a charity event. These activities can bring you closer in a unique way. It's about teamwork, shared experiences, and satisfaction of contributing to something larger than yourselves. Volunteering together also allows for genuine, down-to-earth interactions. In these settings, you can see each other in a more natural and authentic light. It's a chance to show kindness and generosity, not just to each other, but to those around you. So, consider suggesting a volunteering activity for your next outing. It's a way to connect on a deeper level, share meaningful experiences, and showcase the best of what you both can offer to the world. Teaching her something new. An engaging and thoughtful way to connect without spending is by teaching her something new, especially in an area she's expressed interest in. Sharing your knowledge or skills can be a highly attractive gesture, showcasing your expertise while engaging in a fun and interactive experience together. Whether it's a language, a musical instrument, a sport, cooking, or even a tech skill, offering to teach her something shows that you're attentive to her interests and willing to invest time in her personal growth. It's a gesture that combines thoughtfulness with the excitement of learning something new. The key to success in this approach is patience and encouragement. Make the learning process enjoyable and stress-free. It's not about rigorous instruction. It's about sharing an experience that brings joy and growth. Celebrate her progress, no matter how small, and ensure the experience is positive and fulfilling. Teaching her something new is not just about the skill itself. It's about the quality time spent together, the conversations that flow during the lessons, and the bond that strengthens as you both engage in this shared journey. So, if there's something that you are good at and she's curious about, seize the opportunity to teach her. It's a wonderful way to deepen your connection and show her a side of you that's both knowledgeable and nurturing. Creative and thoughtful gestures. In the realm of attraction, sometimes it's the little things that count the most. Creative and thoughtful gestures, which require more imagination than money, can make a significant impact. These gestures are about showing care and attention in unique ways that resonate personally with her. Think outside the box. It could be as simple as writing a heartfelt note, creating a personalized playlist of songs that she might enjoy, or even planning a themed movie night based on her favorite genre. The idea is to create moments and experiences that are tailored to her interests and personality. These gestures demonstrate that you've been paying attention to what she likes, her hobbies, and her passions. It's about showing that you value her as an individual and that you are willing to put effort into making her feel special. The creativity and thought behind these actions often speaks louder than the expensive gifts or outings. Remember, the goal is to create a sense of warmth and intimacy, to make her feel seen and appreciated. Whether it's through a surprise picnic in the park, a homemade gift, or even a scavenger hunt around the city, these creative gestures can leave a lasting impression and deepen the emotional connection. So, get creative and think about what would make her smile. Sometimes the most memorable moments are those that come from the heart, not the wallet. Adventure in the great outdoors. Engaging in outdoor activities together, such as hiking or enjoying a picnic in a scenic location, is an excellent way to build a connection without spending much. The great outdoors offers a natural setting for adventure and exploration, fostering an environment where you can both relax and get to know each other better. Planning an outdoor adventure shows that you value quality time and are keen on creating memorable experiences, whether it's a tranquil hike through the woods, a day at the beach, or a picnic in a local park. These activities allow you to share in the beauty of nature while enjoying each other's company. The key to a successful outdoor date is in the details. Pack a simple yet thoughtful picnic, choose a trail that matches your fitness levels, and bring along a few comforts like a blanket or a portable speaker for music. And these small touches can enhance the experience experience, making it more enjoyable and special. From spotting wildlife to navigating trails, these shared experiences can lead to deeper conversations and a stronger bond. So take advantage of the natural beauty around you and plan an outdoor adventure. It's a heartfelt way to show you care, offering both adventure and intimacy amidst the great outdoors. Now it's time for a truly invaluable bonus tip that costs nothing but can significantly deepen your connection: practicing attentive listening and empathy. In every interaction, make a conscious effort to listen actively, showing genuine interest in her thoughts, feelings, and stories. This approach not only makes her feel valued and understood, but also strengthens the emotional bond between you. Empathy builds a foundation of trust and closeness that goes beyond any monetary value. So remember, sometimes the most impactful way to someone's heart is simply by being present, listening intently, and responding with understanding and care. So now that you know how to create beautiful moments without spending a fortune, what's next for you? Discover the signs she likes you even when she doesn't say a word, or learn how to tell if women think that you are good looking. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.